Just got this 4Runner going. V6, 5-speed, 100% brand new, completely rebuilt. Has about 40, 50 miles on it. It's a 5-speed. Tan leather interior. 4-wheel drive works flawlessly. Transmission extra crispy. Brand new Exedy heavy duty clutch. Leather's good. These things, I'm not sure what was on here, if that's factory or someone added it, but I just left it. Interior has been 100% steam cleaned and sanitized. Great tires on it. Tons of life left on it. Tons of life. Sounds good. Stock suspension, running boards. Just been smogged. Just been tagged. Body is incredibly straight. Incredibly straight. Tailgate, not one dent on it. A little bit of paint fade. A little bit of paint fade, but nothing major. Body is extremely straight. Same tires all the way around. Good tread, excellent tread. It's a little dirty. Is currently for sale. Listen to those shut. Wow. Little bit of wear and tear. Little bit of wear and tear. But everything's clean. Everything's been, I guess you could say moisturized. The leather moisturized. It does need a new armrest. Could use a dash mat. Got a few cracks in it. Air conditioning works. That's a cold start, as you can see. Oil pressure is great. It's completely stock exhaust. Has a cat. I'm sorry, it doesn't have a stock exhaust. It's a brand new cat. Stock downpipe, stock piping to a Flowmaster 40. Let's go for a drive. Extremely solid truck, and it's a 94 with I believe this one has all 4-wheel ABS. Very solid. Shifter bushing, really, they must have just replaced it. Shifter bushing has most likely been replaced because it is tight. Sounds pretty good. Brand new Exedy heavy duty clutch. R150 transmission. 3VZ. Rebuilt, 100% OEM, 100% rebuilt. Rods, bearings, crank bearings, piston rings, head gaskets, every single gasket on the motor. Injectors were given a treatment. The intake manifold was cleaned. Brand new cat. Some piping on it's brand new. Has a Flowmaster Series 40 exhaust. It has a I believe it's all brass, a 3-bar radiator. So the tanks are brass or copper, I'm not really sure. They're not plastic though, and it is in fact a 3-bar. AC works good. Very solid truck. It is currently for sale. DM me if you're interested. It's a California truck, no rust whatsoever. Paint is fading just a little bit on the tailgate. Otherwise, it is an incredibly straight body. Now that it's warm, I figured I'd let you guys listen to the exhaust. It sounds pretty good. Currently for sale, and if you're interested, you can email me at standardamericanoutdoors@gmail.com. You can contact me there if you're interested. It is a straight California only truck, no rust, frame is perfect, AC truck. I would not be afraid to take this thing on a couple thousand mile road trip. If you're interested, contact me on my email, standardamericanoutdoors@gmail.com. I'll talk to you then. Thanks for watching.